The Contemporary Black Farmhouse is more than just a home, it's a statement of bold elegance, where tradition meets innovation. By blending rustic charm with modern minimalism, this architectural masterpiece offers a perfect balance of sophistication and warmth. Today, we'll explore how luxury and simplicity come together to create a timeless yet functional living space. A black farmhouse challenges conventional design with its striking facade. Dark hues create an air of mystery and elegance, allowing the home to stand out while harmonizing with nature. The beauty lies in simplicity, clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on form and function. This intentional restraint creates a home that feels both modern and inviting. One of the key principles of contemporary black farmhouse design is its deep connection to the outdoors. Expansive windows frame breathtaking views, while large sliding doors invite natural light to flood the interior. Organic materials such as wood and stone soften the boldness of the exterior, creating a home that feels in harmony with its surroundings. Luxury and simplicity come together beautifully in the heart of the home, the open concept living area. High ceilings, exposed beams, and minimalist furnishings create a sense of airiness and openness. This layout encourages effortless movement between spaces, fostering a sense of togetherness while maintaining a refined, uncluttered aesthetic. the Contemporary Black Farmhouse kitchen is a masterclass in both design and practicality. Matte black cabinetry, sleek marble countertops, and warm wooden accents create a striking contrast that feels both luxurious and inviting. Thoughtfully designed storage, state-of-the-art appliances, and an oversized island make this space perfect for cooking, entertaining, and daily living. A home should be a sanctuary, and the bedrooms in a contemporary black farmhouse embrace this philosophy. Soft textures, natural materials, and a soothing neutral palette provide a peaceful escape from the outside world. Large windows bring in gentle morning light, while minimalist decor enhances the sense of calm and relaxation. Luxury is often found in the smallest details, and the bathroom of a contemporary black farmhouse is no exception. A mix of dark stone, warm wood, and soft lighting creates a spa-like retreat where relaxation is a priority. Freestanding bathtubs, rainfall showers, and minimalist vanities elevate the experience, turning everyday routines into moments of tranquility. A true modern farmhouse embraces both aesthetics and sustainability. Thoughtfully placed windows optimize natural light and ventilation, reducing energy consumption. Smart home technology seamlessly integrates with the design, allowing homeowners to control lighting, temperature, and security with ease. These innovations ensure that luxury and simplicity go hand in hand with efficiency and comfort. One of the defining features of a contemporary black farmhouse is its effortless blend of indoor and outdoor spaces. Expansive patios, covered porches, and cozy fire pits extend the living experience beyond the walls. Whether it's a peaceful morning coffee or an evening gathering under the stars, these outdoor areas create a harmonious connection with nature. Minimalism plays a crucial role in achieving the perfect balance of luxury and simplicity. Carefully curated decor, natural textures, and statement lighting define the interior aesthetic. Each piece serves a purpose, eliminating clutter while enhancing the overall ambience. The result is a home that feels effortlessly stylish, yet deeply personal. Black is bold, dramatic, and undeniably timeless. In a contemporary farmhouse, it serves as a grounding element, adding depth and sophistication. Whether used on the exterior, in furniture, or through accent details, black brings a sense of refinement that never goes out of style. Paired with warm neutrals and organic materials, it creates a perfect visual balance. A contemporary black farmhouse is designed to be more than just a living space. It's a home that adapts to different lifestyles. Its open design allows for flexible use, whether it's a growing family, a remote workspace, or a peaceful retreat. Every element is crafted with longevity in mind, ensuring that the home remains as functional as it is beautiful for years to come. In the world of home design, the Contemporary Black Farmhouse stands as a testament to the power of contrast, bold yet inviting, modern yet timeless, luxurious yet simple. It redefines what it means to live beautifully, proving that true elegance is found in thoughtful design. Whether you're dreaming of building your own or simply looking for inspiration, this home is a reminder that less can truly be more.